I am Janice.
I am Hannah and we are the Jada!
For today's video, samahan niyo kami na ligutin at tuklasin
Ang iba't ibang uri ng patterns na makikita sa ating kapaligiran. At one of the patterns of nature is symmetry. Symmetry is an object or shape that's symmetrical when it remains unchanged after we rotate, flip, or scale it. And it's allowed being divided into parts of equal shape and sizes.
One of the example of symmetry that we found in nature is Kalachuchi. Kalachuchi is a radial symmetry because it is regularly arranged and radiate from a center point. Second is Gomamela. It's also a radial symmetry because as you can see, it can be divided into two equal halves along any plane.
fractal in nature a repeating interaction of single patterns. It is infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across the different scales.
The example of fractal pattern found in nature is fern leaves because ferns grow repeating in the same general structure. Mauritius hemp is also an example of fractal because of repeating shape of pattern.
Spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it.
The example of spiral is snail shell. As you can see, the curved pattern of the shell is focused on the center point and circular shapes that revolve around it.
Tessellation are the patterns made of identical shapes that fit together with no gaps and do not overlap.
Scalefish or kaliskis ng isda is one of the example of tessellation pattern because of the similar shape and has no gap between the fish scales. Pineapple, it contains a hexagon shape around the pineapple skin.
Mendel's pattern are curves that winds or bend.
This wood is a Mendel's pattern because the curved lines are the dominant design. Gibellina leaves is a Mendel's pattern. When you look closer at the back of the leaves, you can see the coarse line. That's why it's a Mendel's pattern.
In this vlog, we learned that nature is full of discovery because it is filled with intricate patterns such as symmetry, fractals, Mendel's, spirals, and tessellation.
So that we encourage everyone to take care and save our nature because
Our nature is our futures.